Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is cells how small. Okay, basically it means the cells they are microscopic and we cannot see them with naked eye. Okay, for observing the cells we require magnified instruments, okay, like microscope. So beta, already you know that cells, these are the basic building blocks of the living organisms. Okay, all the living organisms, whether plants, animals or microorganisms, their body is composed of cells. It may be one cell, which are known as unicellular organisms, and it may be more than one cells, that is many cells, and they are known as multicellular organisms. Okay, now cells, I already told you, they are microscopic. Okay, they can be seen only with the help of microscope. So micro and scope. Microscope means micro is very small, minute, and scope means to view or to see. Okay, so small cells can be observed by the help of microscope. So this microscope is what? It is magnifying instrument. Okay, it magnifies the image, or it magnifies the size of the cells, and that's why we are able to see the cells. Okay, now when we talk about the smallest cell, the smallest cells are the bacterial cells. Okay, smallest cells are the bacterial cells. Okay, and in case of human body, smallest cells are red blood cells. So first, when we talk about this smallest cell, these are bacteria. So bacteria, you all know, these are very minute. They cannot be seen with the naked eye or open eye. Okay, but with the help of microscope, we are able to see this bacteria. Okay, and in human body, red blood cells, that is erythrocytes, red blood cells are the smallest cells. So, important thing to remember here is, questions can come like, which is the smallest cell? Then you have to say bacteria. Okay, you will say bacteria is the smallest cell. But if question comes, name the smallest cell in the human body. Okay, just listen. Name the smallest cell in human body. Then in that case you will say it is red blood cells or erythrocytes. Okay, so erythrocytes or red blood cells, these are the smallest cell in human body. Okay, then beta, second, when we talk about the longest means in length. Okay, how long a cell can be. So longest cell is the nerve cell. Okay, nerve cell in the body, that is neurons. Read about these nerve cells. These are the longest cells in the body. Okay, third is largest. Largest cell is the egg of ostrich. Okay, egg of ostrich, it is the largest cell which is known till date. Okay, so the smallest cell is the bacterial cell, and in human body the smallest cell is red blood cell. The longest cell is nerve cell, and the largest cell is egg of ostrich. Now beta important thing is why the cells they are small in size. Okay, so their smallness helps them to communicate with each other very quickly. Communicate with each other at a faster rate. Okay, when the cells will be small, okay, what will happen? The messages or the substances they will pass from one cell to another cell very quickly. Okay, and in the cells sometimes the cellular elements like mature mammalian RBC, our mature RBC, it lacks nuclei, it lacks nucleus. Lacks means nucleus is not present in the RBC cells. Okay, so it increases surface area for the diffusion, for the greater diffusion of substances in and out of the cell. So sometimes the absence of the cellular elements inside the cell, it helps in greater diffusion of the substances in and out of the cell. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.